Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn the problem relating to the calendar, which is asked in the reasoning subject in all competitive exams and semester exams of Bangalore University and Kuvempu University BCom degree classes. Okay, so before solving the problems, we should learn some basic concepts of calendar. ಕ್ಯಾಲೆಂಡರ್ನ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಗಳು? ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ 1 ವೀಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 7 ಡೇಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ನೋ ವೆರಿ ವೆಲ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 52 ವೀಕ್ಸ್. ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಯರಲ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ 365 ಡೇಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 7, we will get 7 5s are 35. Okay, one reminder, bring 5 to down, 7 2s are 14. So we have one odd day, right? 52 weeks plus one odd day, right? That is the normal year. We can find 52 weeks. It is common for all the year except the leap year. What is leap year? Leap year means the year which is divide by 4. For example, 2000 is the leap year, and 2016 is the leap year, which is divided by 4, right? 1500, 1600, 2012, 2004. We can give the n number of examples. So simply we can say the number or the year which is divided by 4, those year called as leap year. What is the speciality of leap year? It's nothing but we can find one day extra in February, right? Instead of 28, we can find 29 days in February. That is the speciality of leap year. That means 366 days in the leap year. That is if we divided by 7, 52, 364, we will get 2 is the remainder. So in leap year, 52 weeks plus 2 odd days we are going to get, right? So these are the basic things. 1 week is equal to 7 days, 1 year is equal to 52 weeks, 1 odd day in normal years, and 1 year is equal to 52 weeks, 2 odd day in leap year. Normal year means 1 odd day because there is February 28th, that's all. And leap year, we see the 2 odd days because of 1 extra day in February. This is about the basic concept of calendar, but it is not enough to solve the calendar problems. So we should see some tricks relating to the calendar problems. So here we are going to see simple 3 tricks which make very easy to solve the calendar problems. That is, I just classifies 3 things: days, months, and year. So in case of date, we have to assign the number. We have the 7 days in a week: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? I just assign the number to the all days: 0 for Sunday, 1 for Monday, 2 for Tuesday, 3 for Wednesday, 4 for Thursday, 5 for Friday, 6 for Saturday. So you just remember 0 for Sunday and 6 for Saturday. Remaining you can increasing one number from Sunday to Saturday. Sunday 0, Monday 1, likewise. Clear? So regarding months, it is little tough to remember. Okay, for month: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. For that, I give a number as 033614625 ಹೇಗಪ್ಪ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? You just make a group of 3 months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, and October, November, December. Once again, 033614625 and 035. You just it's very easy to remember. Just you remember 033 and 035, beginning and end, in between 614 and 625. ಆರ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು SLCಲಿ 625 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. 625ಕ್ಕೆ 614 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 35, ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಕ್ಕೊಂಡೆ? 33 ತಗೊಂಡು ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. ಸೊ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ is 625. I am desired to or expected to get 614. The minimum passing marks is 35, but even I didn't reach the passing marks, I just score 033. That is nothing but 033 614 625 035. 0 for Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. This is the way to remember 033 614 625 035. So next, regarding year. Here I assign number to a group of bunch of years, that is 1600 to 1699 6, 1700 to 1799 4, 1800 to 1899 2, 1900 to 999 0, and once again from 2000 to 2099 it is 6. ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 1500 1400 ಬಿಲೋ 1600 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ? ಸೊ ಐ ಥಾಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲೂ ಸೊ ದೇ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1600. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲೂ 1600 ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ದೀಸ್ 5 bunches of year to solve the problem. ಹೇಗೆ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಪ್ಪ? 642. Just go through the decreasing order. 6420, once again 6, 1600 to 1699. Then next 1700 to 99, 1800 to 99, 1900. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 99ಇಂದ 700ಗೆ, 799ಇಂದ 800ಗೆ, 800ಇಂದ 899ಇಂದ 900ಗೆ, 999ಇಂದ 2000ಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಈ 3 ಡೇಸ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ವಿತಿನ್ 20 seconds. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೀಕ್ 26 January 2017? ಸೊ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ 2017 ಜನವರಿ 26 ಯಾವ ವಾರವಾಗಿತ್ತು? The day of the week 26 January 2017 is what? So in order to solve, we have to follow the 7th step, which is very easy. Once you remember or by heart the step, you can easily solve the problem within 15 to 20 seconds. What are all those steps? Let's go through that. So what was the day of the week 26 January of 2017? So just follow these steps. Last 2 digits of a year. So year is 2017, 2 digits means 17, right? Divide it by 4. ಈ 17ಅನ್ನು 4ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. 4 divided by 17 means 4 4s are 16. Remainder is 1. So just delete the remainder or don't consider remainder. Just consider the coefficient, that is 4. Answer is 4. Next, the date. Date is 26. Right? Number of the month. Here we are using the tricks. Number of the month is month January. January is 0. Number of the year 2017 lies between 2000 to 2099. The number of the year is 6. Add all above the steps. So it is 17 plus 4 21, 21 plus 6 27, plus 20 47, and 53, and it is divided by 7, that is 7 divided by 53 is 7 7s are 49. The remainder is 4. 4 means here 0 1 2 3 4. 4 means Thursday is our answer. That is Thursday was the day of the week 26 January of 2017. And one more thing, students, you have to look whether the year is leap year or not. If it is leap year and the month is below February or January or February, we have to deduct one number from the 4. If it is leap year, ಅದು ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಡೇಟ್ ಜನವರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಯದ್ದೇ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಆರ್ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ ಏಪ್ರಿಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ -1. ಓಕೆ, ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡಿಡಕ್ಟ್ 1. ಇಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಡೇಟು ಜನವರಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಂತಿನ ಒಳಗಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಡೇ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೀಕ್ 15th August of 1801? The last 2 digit of the year ಯಾವುದು? 01. divided by 4. 0, 1 is divided by 4 means you can't divide 0 1 by 4 because we will get the point. So no need to consider a point. It write as a 0. And date is 15, right? 15. Number of month August, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. August is 2. Number of the year is 1801 is lies between 1800 to 1899. The answer is 2. Add above 1 plus 15, 16, 20, and it should be divided by 7. 7, 20, that is 7 2s are 14. Remainder is 6. 6 is 0 Sunday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is the Saturday. Our answer is Saturday. That means Saturday was the day of the week of 15th August of 1801 year. One year clear? So ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡೋಣ. What was the day of the week of 31st December of 2016? So here it is the leap year because it is divisible by 4, but the month is December. If the month is January or February 31st ಬರದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಜನವರಿ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ನಾವು 1ರಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 15 ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ -1 14 ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ, ಅಥವಾ 6 ಬಂತು ಅಂದರೆ -1 5 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನೋ ನೀಡ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ ಮಂತ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ -1 ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಈವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೂ ಸಹ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 16 ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4. 16 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 4. ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 4. Date is 31st. Number of the month December means 5. January, February ಇಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 5. And number of the year 2016 means 6. Add above 16 plus 4 20. 20 plus 31 51. 51 plus 5 56 plus 6 62, and it should be divided by 7, right? Divide the total by 7. ಯಾಕೆ 7 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ they ask what was the day of the week. Week means 7 days, right? 7 divided by 62 means 7 8s are 56. Remainder is 6. So you can't divide more, right? So 6, the day 6 is Saturday. Our answer is Saturday. Saturday was the day of the week of 31st December of 2016. These are the common and easy problems. When in the problem, if there is a leap year and the month is come below of January or month is belongs to January or February, how we should solve? We will go through the next problem. Then we can come to know how to solve the problem which comes under leap year as well as the month belongs to January and February. So see, what was the day of the week 20th February of 2000? So same procedure na follow ಮಾಡಿ. Last 2 digit of the year 0. So divide by 4, answer is 0. Date is 20th. Consider here 2000 which is divisible by 4. So it is a leap year, right? It is a leap year, and the date also comes below the month of or below March, right? That is February. So here leap year. ಯಾಕೆ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ತನಕ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಯರ್ ವೇರಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರೋದು 1 ಆಡ್ ಡೇ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಲಿ 28 ಇರೋದು 29 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಏನೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಗೋದಾಗಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸೊ ನಾವು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ತನಕ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೈನಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಮಗೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರನ್ನು ಸಿಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಡಿಜಿಟ್ 0 ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4, answer is 0. Date is 20th. Number of the month is February means 3, right? Number of the year 2000 means it lays between 2000 to 2009, that is 6. Add above steps 20 plus 23 plus 29. When it is divided by 7 4s are 28. Reminder is 1. It is a leap year and it comes under below March, that is February 20th. So deduct 1. Our answer is 0. 0 is the on Sunday. It is on Sunday. Our answer is Sunday was the day of the week 20th February of 2000. Clear? Leap year related problem ani innondu nodona. What was the day of the week 15th January of 1620? 1620 ಇಸ್ವಿಯ ಜನವರಿ 15ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಯಾವ ದಿವಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು? ಸೊ ಸೇಮ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 2 digit of the year 20, divided it by 4, that means how much? 4 5s are 20, right? 20 and 5. Date is 15. Number of the month January means 0. Number of year 1620 means 6. Add above step 20 plus 25, 30, 40, 46, right? 46 should be divided by 7. 7 6 42. Remainder is 4. You should not consider 4 is the answer. That means Thursday is the answer. It should be deducted by 1 because it's a leap year and the number or date belongs to January, which comes under March. I mean January and February ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು -1 ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1621 ಇದ್ರೆ -1 ಮಾಡೋ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಈವನ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಜನವರಿ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು 1621, 22, 23 ಇದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. 24 ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೀಪ್ ಇಯರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅದು 2 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 4 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ದ ಮಂತ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಜನವರಿ ಆರ್ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಅವಾಗ -1 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ -1 ಮಾಡೋಣ 3. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಂಡೇ, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is our answer. Wednesday was the day of the week 15 January of 1620th. This is about the calendar problem. This is the very easy problems. In next class, in continuation of this calendar problems, we will go through the little toughest problem. Thank you.